Hey guys! Welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to open a Monzo Business account in the UK. So let's get started. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a Monzo Business account. First, download and open the Monzo app from the Play Store or App Store. Once the app is open, tap I'm new to Monzo and enter the business email address you want to use for the account. Tap Join and Monzo will send a one-time verification link to your email. Open the email and tap the link to continue setting up your account in the app. Next, select the Business Account option and tap Next. Enter your business postcode and choose your full business address from the list that appears. Then, provide a UK-registered phone number. Monzo will send a one-time password, OTP, to this number. Enter the code to verify your phone. After that, complete the ID verification process as instructed. You may also need to provide additional company details. Once all the required information is submitted, your Monzo business account will be successfully set up and ready to use. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.